Hey, Stump. Stumpy Gore. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Stumpy always looks a little bit, shall we say, tired. She's just chillaxing. She's got that little lid hanging down. Ain't that right, girl? Sweet Stump. Unless there's food, and then she's a meanie. A big old meanie. This little black feather on her chest is really cool. I don't know why that's happening. Oh, she pulled the stanky leg in. It's time for me to leave her alone. It's going back out. Oh, it's going back out. Pretty girl. Let's do a foreshortened stanky leg. Look at that. You're beautiful, honey. Bye, Stump.